Welcome back to B4Crypto. In this video we're going to find out when is Bitcoin finally going to break out from this range of round about $16,500. We could see that Bitcoin broke this trend line towards the upside, but at the moment we are getting a lot of resistance at the level of $16,600. So guys, could we finally break out from this trend line and come all the way back up to our resistance area? Guys, we're going to look at some bullish news that might tell us that this is the bottom for Bitcoin and that we're going to see higher levels and maybe also reaching the $18,000, which was our price target. So guys, we're going to look at the charts and we're also going to look at this positive news in the markets to really find out what is going to happen to Bitcoin and is this finally the bottom. And at the end of the video, I'm going to reveal who's the winner of the BITGET giveaway and whose account will be doubled. So guys, make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's directly start on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. And as you guys can see that we finally broke this trend line towards the upside. But guys, I didn't trade this scenario because you could see we had a lot of resistance trying to break out from these ranges. We're going to find out what would be our price targets if we fail to break out from this trend line, and are we going to come all the way back down or even form a new low. Guys, first of all, we have to find out where could this pump bring us if we're going to see this confirmed breakout and that this was the retest of the trend line. So first of all, if we're going to break this resistance towards the upside, we could expect the level of $17,100 for Bitcoin. And if we're going to see this clear breakout towards the upside and that we are finally coming over the 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart, then I could expect that we're going to reach the levels of $18,000 until we're going to consolidate in these areas or maybe come down and retest the 100 moving average or even the 13 EMA round about these levels, and then we could expect that we are finally going to break these levels towards the upside. Because guys, we're going to look at the news and that is quite bullish for the crypto market. So guys, over on Cointelegraph, independent research verifies GBTC's 633,000 Bitcoin. So why won't Grayscale? In the wake of the FTX crisis, proof of reserve has been a trending topic, and it seems when firms are unwilling to provide it, analysts might step in. So guys, in my previous videos I've talked about this GBTC thing and that this might be the next Black Swan event if we're going to see that Grayscale has liquidity problems. But guys, we're going to find out in this article why this is actually positive. The OXT research analyst Ergo used on-chain forensic to confirm that as of November 23rd that the GBTC owned approximately 633,000 Bitcoin held by its custodian Coinbase Custody. Why didn't they prove that they held these BTC on their wallets? Since the collapse of FTX, there has been increasing pressure on other exchanges and digital asset managers to prove that they hold funds they claim. A GBTC collapse or liquidation of its holding would be a serious Black Swan event. But guys, I told you we should wait until the end of the week until we really see the fact what is behind this major fund. Ergo announced that they were looking into the holdings of GBTC in November 20th. Tweet after Grayscale cited security concerns as their reason of withholding on-chain proof of reserve on November 18th. So guys, they didn't want to prove that they really have these reserves. To find the rest of the BTC held by GBTC, Ergo had to scan the blockchain in order to find additional addresses which fit the profile of those originally found, and notes that while the analysis certainly includes false positives and negatives, the addresses they found contain holdings of BTC nearly identical to what GBTC has claimed. Announcing they had confirmed the holdings, Ergo added, which begs the question, why does Grayscale refuse to disclose their on-chain holdings? And we're going to find out what is the reason behind that. Turns out it was part of the GBTC prospectus. They were simply not allowed to tell you. Under the custodian agreement, the custodian must use its best effort to keep private and public keys secure and may not disclose such keys to sponsors, trust, or any individual entity. So guys, this was actually just a major security issue with spreading all of these keys around the internet. So their interest is it to hold their keys and also their Bitcoin holding as secure as possible. So guys, this is very positive news for the crypto industry, because this is telling us that we are not going to see this major black swan event of GBTC being illiquid. So guys, this major FTX debacle maybe has an end, and maybe it is just going to stay with FTX and all the companies that are involved with FTX, and that we're not going to see this major next black swan event. So guys, let's go over to the charts before we are going to draw the lucky winner of the BITGET giveaway. So guys, if you want to join the next giveaway that I'm going to do in 15 days, yes, you heard me right, I'm going to double the next BITGET account. So guys, make sure to deposit and also to sign up to my BITGET link to take part in this free giveaway. So guys, if you like this content, smash up the like button and subscribe. This would really support my channel. And remember, turn on the bell notification. So guys, let's go back over to the charts. So guys, over on the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin is really trying to break out from these regions. And this positive news might give us this breakout and this confirmation from this trend line. So guys, could this be the bounce, and that we're going to see that from this positive news, we're going to see that Bitcoin will have a relief and will finally come to our price target of 18,000 US dollars, to the top of this range. We're going to find out what is going to happen with Bitcoin. We're going to go on the 15-minute chart, but first we're going to look at the bearish price targets if we would break the structure towards the downside. If we would break back below this trend line, I would confirm this as a bearish move, and then we should at least come back with the first price target of at least 16,000 US dollars, and we don't manage to get a bounce from the support, then I could see that Bitcoin will come back to its previous low of round about the levels of 15,500 US dollars. So guys, are we going to see this breakout towards the upside, or are we going to come for a retest of the support, or are we going to come all the way back down to our previous low? We're going to find out with the price movement of Bitcoin, but maybe we're going to only see this move towards the upside on Monday, or are we going to see a Black Friday breakout? We're going to go on the 15-minute chart to find out what is Bitcoin doing at the moment. So guys, on the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, you can see exactly at this point we broke out from this trend line on the 4-hour chart. So this is exactly the trend line where we have talked about, and we saw that we are trying to break out, and we had already major retests at the support line. So guys, was this maybe the retest? We are finally going to break out, because guys, you can see on the 15-minute chart, we broke this trend line that we have formed on the 15-minute chart towards the upside. And is this maybe our final retest, and we're going to reach price targets of 16,900 US dollars? Or could this even be the breakout to round about 17,000? We're going to find out, because guys, at the moment this looks quite valid for a confirmed breakout. But guys, let's pull out the Fibonacci retracement levels to really find out at which levels we are at the moment. And if we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high towards the swing low, then we can see that exactly now we are at the 38.2, and that is quite a resistance at the moment. And you can see that we came all the way back up towards the 50% level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. But guys, if you look at this Fibonacci retracement tool, how accurate it is. As you can see here, we had perfect resistance at the 78.6. And guys, look at this, the 61.8 is exactly here at these levels, and here we also saw a lot of resistance. So guys, our next price target, if we're going to break the 38.2, would be all the way the 61.8 as the most important level, which is also the golden ratio at the 61.8. And normally, if we're going to break the 38.2, we should definitely hit our price target of the 61.8 with the next price target of 78.6, round about the levels of 16,700 US dollars, and the 61.8 round about the levels of 16,600 US dollars. So guys, if we consider that this was the breakout on the 50-minute chart of this major trend line, and this is the perfect retest, we could expect that we're going to reach the price target of 16,600 US dollars. And guys, then we have to reevaluate the situation if we're going to see that the price will move even higher, or are we going to get a major rejection from these major resistance areas? I'm going to keep you updated in my Telegram group. But guys, now we come to the most important part of this video. I'm going to double someone's BitGet account. But guys, from all the new users that have signed up with my BitGet link, only one has really took my advice and bought Bitcoin and deposited money on his BitGet account. And guys, now we're going to go over and we're going to find out who is the lucky winner and whose BitGet account will be doubled. So guys, over on my BitGet account, we're going to find out who is the lucky winner and whose BitGet account will be doubled. So guys, you can see that this is the winning UID and the end numbers are 48885. Congratulations, you are the winner and your BitGet account will be doubled. So if you're the winner, all you have to do is send me an email that you will find in the video description below, and then you have to provide the first numbers to prove that you are the winner and that this is really your UID, and then you can send me your wallet address of your preferred cryptocurrency and I will double your account and I will send you $39. So congratulations. And guys, if you want to take part in the next giveaway, then make sure that you sign up with my BitGet link, because I'm going to do the next giveaway in 15 days. So smash up the like button and subscribe, go down in the video description below and sign up with my BitGet link to receive a major deposit bonus. And guys, really make use of this free opportunity so that I'm going to double your BitGet account. And at the moment we can see that Bitcoin is still trying to break out from these regions. But guys, I really do believe that this is a confirmed breakout and that we are going to maybe see a scam wick towards the downside to really get all these long positions liquidated, and that we're going to see that on this Black Friday we're going to reach at least the $16,600 for Bitcoin. So guys, if you like my content, smash up the like button and subscribe. You really support this channel by completing this simple task. And make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.